Imagine stepping into a helicopter that's more luxurious than a private jet. Leather seats, high-tech controls, a stunning cabin, and the kind of comfort only billionaires can afford. In this video, we're looking at 5 helicopters that redefine luxury travel, flying machines that feel more like palaces in the sky. Number 5. Leonardo AW189. The Leonardo AW189 is both powerful and luxurious. This twin-engine helicopter is designed for long-range flights and top-tier safety. It can carry up to 19 passengers, making it perfect for VIP transport. Inside, the cabin is just like a high-end private jet. Genuine leather seats, elegant lighting, an advanced entertainment system, and even a minibar stocked with premium drinks. But the AW189 isn't just for the ultra-rich. It's also widely used in the oil and gas industry because it performs exceptionally well in extreme weather conditions. What makes this helicopter truly special is its combination of comfort, safety, and cutting-edge technology. Price: $17 million. Number 4. Leonardo AW609. This one looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. The Leonardo AW609 is a tiltrotor aircraft, meaning it takes off like a helicopter but flies like a plane. This hybrid design gives it a much higher speed and longer range compared to traditional helicopters. Inside, the cabin is fully private and soundproof, ensuring passengers enjoy a quiet and comfortable flight, even at high speeds. The AW609 is designed for those who want to travel long distances quickly without sacrificing the flexibility of a helicopter. Price: $20 million. Number 3. Airbus ACH175. The Airbus ACH175 is a perfect mix of power, safety, and luxury. With advanced aerodynamics and high-tech flight control systems, it delivers one of the smoothest helicopter rides in the world. It's a favorite among billionaires and top executives for business travel. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels like a flying limousine. Custom-made seats, smart lighting, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system make this helicopter a true luxury experience. And let's not forget the massive panoramic windows, giving passengers an unbeatable view of the sky while they fly. Price: $20 million. Number 2. Bell 525 Relentless. The Bell 525 Relentless is one of the most advanced helicopters ever built. It's used for VIP transport, rescue missions, and even military operations. This is the first commercial helicopter to feature fly-by-wire technology, meaning it's controlled digitally rather than with traditional mechanical controls. This makes flight safer and smoother than ever before. Its spacious cabin is designed like an airborne office, making it perfect for high-level meetings in the sky. If you want a helicopter that blends comfort, cutting-edge technology, and top-tier safety, the Bell 525 is the way to go. Price: $20 million. Number 1. Sikorsky S-92 Executive. At number 1, we have the Sikorsky S-92 Executive. Not only is this the most expensive helicopter on the list, but it's also one of the safest and most luxurious. Many world leaders, presidents, and royal families choose this model because of its unmatched security and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with a fully private cabin, featuring a lounge area, an office space, adjustable mood lighting, and even a state-of-the-art communication system. But the Sikorsky S-92 Executive isn't just about luxury. It's built for performance, too. It has one of the smoothest flight experiences in the helicopter industry, thanks to its advanced stabilization system. Even in rough weather, passengers barely feel any turbulence. What sets this helicopter apart is its reputation. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a statement of power and prestige. Whether it's billionaires, government officials, or top executives, those who own an S-92 Executive aren't just flying, they're making an entrance. Price: $27 million. And there you have it, the 5 most expensive helicopters in the world. These flying machines aren't just about getting from one place to another. They're about experiencing the height of luxury in the sky. Which one would you choose if money wasn't an issue? Let me know in the comments.